Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to name highlights on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to name highlights on Instagram, let's first open up our Instagram app. And from over here guys, in order to name a highlight on Instagram, we'll be making a highlight. So in order to do that, let's go to our profile. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture in a small icon. Tap over there, and from over here tap on the new button available for us, and from over here you will be able to create a highlight of your stories. Tap on it and tap on the next at the top right corner of the screen, and over here guys you can see where it says the highlight. There is a cursor beeping. You can rename your highlight over here or name your highlight over here like this guys, and the moment you tap on the done, this kind of highlight will be added to your Instagram profile with your name, which you had named it over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to name highlights on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.